Hey, what's up, Kremlin Nation? We are here, grand opening, Galaxy's Edge.
We made it.
At Hollywood Studios, and it is packed.
So we're kind of at a crossroads. Honestly, we only got here, what, 40 minutes ago now? I think we got here around 3:45, 4 o'clock in the morning, something like that.
Yep. And we're in the park.
We are already in the park.
And we scanned our magic band, so we should be good.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, pretty smooth. A lot smoother than what I expected.
So far.
So this morning, for those that got here at like midnight, it seemed like that was pretty hectic, and there wasn't a ton of communication on where for those people to go. But for us, they had buses running at 3:30.
Welcome, travelers, and thank you for your patience. We are excited you are here today to be among our first guests traveling to Black Spire Outpost for the enjoyment and safety of our guests, and so that as many guests as possible can experience Batuu. Our cast will begin to guide you further into the park for your adventure in a galaxy far, far away. Thank you, and enjoy your time here at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
And with that, we'll be back shortly.
Is to operate the ship and others to defend the shipments, and that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Follow for some very fast and very profitable expeditions.
It's a trap!
Pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. Push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Come, Papa. Yes, yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is, after that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilot, Line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. The cargo's bringing keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Y'all welcome.
It's coming down. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Boost. Look. We did not die. Let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. R5, damage report. Engine failure, all right. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures, well, it could be worse. Life support failure, that's something. Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you list the parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe. All right, my friends. You brought the Falcon back in one piece, and I guess that is something. Not a lot, but something. Welcome back to the battle. Time for you to go.
Good to see you. You're enjoying your I'm here on World.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well. I was just about to go check on the Falcon. Do you want to walk in?
Sure.
So we've got lots of off-worlders. Good, I think, that way if the stormtroopers come by.
All these off-worlders, do they get annoying every now and then? Like a bunch of tourists?
It's nice to meet new people.
Okay, yeah.
Speaking of that, I think
Do you like the rain or?
I quite enjoy it
You do?
actually.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's a bit different. We don't have it on Jakku.
Oh,
so
yeah.
We have all the training.
Yeah.
Alright guys, this is Galaxy's Edge. From Smuggler's Run all the way to the queue at Rise of Resistance, which opens later this year in December. What do you think?
Well, obviously I love the land, but I just wanted to point out how smooth everything was today.
Oh, absolutely.
Like, I think me and you were probably both thinking to ourselves, trying to be optimistic, but probably thinking to ourselves how hectic it was going to be today.
Right.
But it really wasn't hectic at all, so.
And I will say, Toy Story Land, which Toy Story Land is the only opening land we've done other than this one, was a lot more hectic. It was a lot more, and a lot less people. So, based on that, I thought today went absolutely as smooth as it could have been. There could have been a little bit more communication on Disney's part as far as like
the people who got here at like midnight.
Right, because there were people that got here at like midnight that basically we waited 20 minutes longer than, and we got here at like 3:45, 4 in the morning. So, and honestly, had we caught the first bus, which left at 3, we were told the first bus left at 3:30.
We would have beaten all those people.
We would have beaten all those people.
Because they had to go back to the boardwalk.
Yeah, absolutely. We would have been probably one of the first 100 people in line. So could have been a little bit more
Yeah.
communication, but as far as like, if you're staying on a resort, getting here was amazing. Which that wasn't even an option for Toy Story Land opening. Toy Story Land opening, if you would have taken, the buses weren't going until park open. If you had taken a bus, you'd have been waiting at like Chinese Theater for like 5 hours.
5 hours.
So I think as far as the opening of it, terrific. Obviously, there's not much of a difference between this and Disneyland. But like, honestly, it's just a great land. Like Scott Trowbridge did a great job. Saw him again this morning walking around at 5 in the morning. Like the commitment that he has not only to the land and the details of it, but then also to the guest experience once the land is open is amazing. And honestly, from what I've seen, unmatched across the board. And he is the epitome of what Disney strives to be. Just a great job all the way around. So.
All right. Well, that was that's our footage of opening day of Galaxy's Edge at Disney World. It's been good. It's a fun time. Getting out pretty early. If we didn't ride Smuggler's Run, we would have, just been able to chill and been out pretty quick. But
also, I will say this: I think we're about to go ride some rides. In the park. If you want to do a land opening, but that's like the premier time for short lines. Like Slinky Dog's 5 minutes right now, so definitely a plus for that.
All right. Well, thanks for sticking with us, guys. We hope you enjoyed opening day. Galaxy's Edge from Disney.
How you doing, team? This is Captain America at Disneyland.
I'm Callie. I'm Rachel.
Yo, this is Gino Cegas from Pair of Kings. You might know me as Mason McCool.
Hi, I'm the DTM.
Hi, this is Kelly, the Disney Traveler, and you just watched the Disney Kremlins.
Thanks for watching the Disney Kremlins.
To my boys Chase and Cody Disney Kremlins. And don't forget to always represent.